Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody! Salut, hi, bienvenue! Welcome to French with Mr. Innes! Ça va? Ça va très bien? Ça va bien? Comme si comme ça? Ça va mal? Oh, ça va très mal. Moi, ça va très bien parce que il fait beau. It is jour number. Can you start at 20 and count to 33 in French whilst touching your genoux, your knees, and then your pieds, your feet? Vous êtes prêts? Allons-y. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33! Très bien! It is jour number 33.
And don't forget that if you enjoyed this video, please give it a
dislike
and subscribe to Mr. Innocent's channel below.
Today is our troisième and dernière video on clothes. In Clothes Part 1, we learnt all about clothes you wear on top. Une chemise, des lunettes, un t-shirt, un cardigan, and un pull. And then, Clothes Part 2 was mainly about clothes you wear in your lower half. Une jupe, une robe, un short, un pantalon, and then un polo, because I was wearing a polo shirt. But let's move on to our phrase of the day. Yesterday, we learnt how to pay someone a compliment by saying their clothes looked nice and beautiful. All things nice and beautiful. And today we're going to pay someone a compliment to say their clothes are cool. Écoutez. Tu as un bas cool. Tu as un bas cool. Tu as un bas cool. Répétez. Tu as un bas cool. Tu as un bas cool. Tu as un bas cool. Bravo! Now let's move on to our ooh la la vocab. Ooh la la. Ooh la la vocab numéro 1 is shoes. Écoutez 6 fois. Listen 6 times. Des chaussures. Des chaussures. Des chaussures. Des chaussures. Des chaussures. Des chaussures. Répétez. Des chaussures. Des chaussures. Des chaussures. Des chaussures. Des chaussures. Des chaussures. Oula la vocab numéro 2 is socks. Écoutez 6 fois. Des chaussettes. Des chaussettes. Des chaussettes. Des chaussettes. Des chaussettes. Des chaussettes. Répétez. Des chaussettes. Des chaussettes. Des chaussettes. Des chaussettes. Des chaussettes. Des chaussettes. Newcastle United's away kit socks from the 2010 to 2011 season. The year we came back from 0-4 against Arsenal to draw 4-4. Oula la vocab numéro 3 is trainers. Or if you're American, sneakers. Écoutez 6 fois. Des baskets. Des baskets. Des baskets. Des baskets. Des baskets. Des baskets. Répétez. Des baskets. Des baskets. Des baskets. Des baskets. Des baskets. Des baskets. Next up we have a rain jacket. Écoutez 6 fois. Un anorak. Un anorak. Un anorak. Un anorak. Un anorak. Un anorak. Répétez. Un anorak. Un anorak. Un anorak. Un anorak. Un anorak. Un anorak. And our dernière oulala vocab is a coat. Écoutez 6 fois. Un manteau. Un manteau. Un manteau. Un manteau. Un manteau. Un manteau. Répétez. Un manteau. Un manteau. Un manteau. Un manteau. Un manteau. Un manteau. And now it's time for Which One's Missing? I will help you with the first trois. First up, we have des chaussures, des chaussettes, des baskets, and an anorak. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said des baskets. Next one, we have des chaussures, des chaussettes, un manteau, and an anorak. Which one's missing? Bravo, if you said des chaussures. Next one, we have des baskets, des chaussettes, un manteau, and an anorak. Which one's missing? Bravo, if you said des chaussettes. Next one, and you are on your own. Which one's missing? Bravo, if you said an anorak. Next one. Which one's missing? Magnifique if you said un manteau. And the last one. Which one's missing? Bravo, magnifique, très bien et fantastique if you said des baskets. Now let's move on to sensational sentences. Sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences. Can you remember what our phrase of the day was? Très bien, tu as un bah cool. So today we're going to think about paying someone a compliment, saying their vêtements, their clothes are cool. I'll help you with the first de. How do you say you have cool shoes? Répétez. Tu as des chaussures cool. Tu as des chaussures cool. Bravo! How do you say you have cool socks? Répétez. Tu as des chaussettes cool. Tu as des chaussettes cool. Magnifique. Try the next trois by yourself. How do you say you have cool trainers? Bravo if you said tu as des baskets cool. How would you say you have a cool rain jacket? Très bien if you said tu as un anorak cool. And finalement, how would you say you have a cool coat? Bravo et magnifique et très bien et fantastique if you said tu as un manteau cool. Let's move on to our fun French fact of the day. Now, did you know that in September there are 4 fashion weeks around the world? These fashion weeks are in New York, Madrid, London, and Paris. People come from all the world to see what the latest fashion is in Paris. Lots of French clothing brands take part, and even throw some pretty lavish parties. But keep your eyes peeled for some rather strange get-ups. And finalement, finally today, we have our Song of the Day! Today's Song of the Day will be very helpful for you to think about all the clothes that we've learnt. It's by Alain le Lait and it's called Les Vêtements, which means clothes. You can find a link to it in the description below, and don't forget that we have a playlist with all the songs of the day so far. That's everything for French with Mr. Ennis aujourd'hui. Jour number 33. Très bien. Merci beaucoup for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel below. But for now, à bientôt and au revoir. Tu as un ba. What's a good noise? Ba, ba, brum, brum, bim, bim. Tu as un bi. Tu as un ba. Oh my word, that's painful. Ooh la la va. La, not ooh la la va. Oh, this is painful. From 4. Tu as. No. Man. For you to look back. Merci beaucoup for. Ooh la la vocab.